Hey guys, Matt from Soundrolling.com. Wanted to do a video today updating on the last video actually about metadata and tracks. I forgot. People were asking me what I do for Atmos, what I do for Wildtracks, and how I keep everything in order. Wildtracks, genius little trick, is basically, so I do scene, slate, take, and then what I just do is just add a W at the end of the scene. Now this can be a bit weird if you're kind of shooting the American style. I think it's the American style where you do just scenes and then it's one A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But if you get to W, then you're already into pretty strenuous circumstances anyway. So then you can always do a dash W, but you get the general idea. Same thing for rehearsals. Rehearsals can be really useful just for picking up just wild lines, just extra stuff. And so I just add an R. And so then if there's anything that's just specifically effects only, then basically what I do is I just name it whatever it is. So for instance, this would just be traffic, and because it's in the same folder as when I was shooting whatever else was meant to be, whatever the scene was meant to be for, I might add the scene and then put traffic, or just add it in the notes section. But just generally that trick of just adding a W and then in the notes explaining what you're recording, that's probably going to really help a lot of people, I hope. And then of course you can mix it up with other stuff as well if you really need to. I'm trying to think of any other times, but generally, yeah, so Wildtrack can obviously cover room tone, ambience, anything you like really, but then also the editor, and especially the sound editor, knows exactly when that was taken. The worst thing is when you've recorded room tone and it's been like 7 hours after you've actually filmed, or even a different day. So hopefully that helps. Leave more comments down below for anything else you want to see, and I'll see you next time.